Hello, my name is Tony Gao. I'm a student at the Web School of Claremont, California, and I'm an incoming 10th grader. My project is the investigation of controlled underexpression of IGFBP7 on geriatric diseases using an in silico Bayesian network and protein ligand complex model. This research tests the effects of a newly FDA-approved drug known as sacubitril/valsartan, primarily used for a specific strain of heart failure found in elderly patients, to retarget onto a specific gene and protein known as IGFBP7. This protein is specifically upregulated within stroke, which was why I felt that repurposing it would have very beneficial effects towards post-stroke recovery due to the mechanisms of this gene and protein influencing with cellular senescence and apoptosis. The general procedure goes as such with dataset collection, the preparation, using a variety of protein ligand interaction models, and finally finishing off with a Bayesian network. The first procedure would be autologic vena binding affinity testing, which was contrasted with 5 different drugs in change for the two. A binding set test was done using 3 models: one coach, one prank web, one PRDOS. A protein ligand interaction profiler was ran, and which sorted out different types of interactions. And then finally, a Bayesian probabilistic network was created for both HFpEF, which is heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, and stroke. The results for the autologic vena affinity binding affinity showed negative 5.6 kcal per mole for Volscian, negative 6.2 kcal per mole for sacubitril, and with through 9 different poses. And the testing of the other 5 different drugs, all of them related with heart failure, showed a rough 1.48 kcal per mole difference between all of them. Toxicology analysis was not exactly successful due to lacking samples, though there is a compound with 23% similarity being non-carcinogenic. The binding site is around the high 150 areas, and this is confirmed with 3 different models: 158, 150s on the amino acid sequence for the protein. The protein ligand interaction showed promising results, with those both sacubitril and Volscian had similar amount of hydrophobic interactions. Sacubitril possessed 2 more salt bridge, but lacked a hydrogen bond in compared to Volscian. The Bayesian probabilistic network showed that roughly 89% of patients expected with upregulated IGFBP7 within the study were afflicted by heart failure, and likewise in the other way around. Regular amount of IGFBP7 concentration within the dataset of patients would be sitting at 89. With heart failure, it would sit at 390, a roughly 4 to 5 times increase in concentration of an upregulation. This result is shown also within stroke, with in the stroke dataset of 285.57 0.77 FPKM, while the control set around 86. During stroke, it can be seen that the majority of patients without stroke showed very, very regular levels of IGFBP7, but after the stroke, the mice that were affected showed a good amount of IGFBP7 concentration in the fourth quartile, which is the most severe quartile, showing an upwards trend within patients with mouse with stroke and higher levels of IGFBP7. Thank you. That'd be it.